with confidence. Arizona Car Sales has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, the best rating a business can have. All vehicles at Arizona Car Sales come with a free vehicle history report, and we thoroughly inspect and recondition every used car we sell, so you get a car that doesn't look or feel used. We give you the price of the car up front, so there's no haggling. Everyone gets a fair price, and you don't have to spend hours negotiating for it.
And hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Stuart and I back with you. Hey, where's the cash, man?
Dude, it's all about the money.
It really is. I mean, you're going to love this. You've heard it all through the show. We're going to talk about it in this segment in particular, but remember, we guarantee your approval.
That's right. We're so sure you're going to get approved here. I'll pay you $500 out of my pocket. And Tom, you know how I am with money.
I do.
All right. We're so sure you're going to be approved for financing at Arizona Car Sales, we'll give you $500 cash if we can't get you approved for financing. And guess what, Tom? I've never had to give it out.
And that's huge. If you're looking for that specific vehicle, you need to call, email, text, or go to our website. I mean, there are 4 ways to contact us, or just come on over. We're easy to find. We're on Main Street in Mesa, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals, or we're going to give you
$500 cash.